to our Vice Governor, our Presiding Officer, Vice Governor Christine Tingtingilin, and of course sa akong mga kaupod sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, and to the newly elected board members, mga staff sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, our guests from other offices. Good afternoon. Today marks the closing of a meaningful chapter. My term as your board member of the province of Iloilo. And if I may, I want to look back at this journey in numbers. Because behind every number is a face, a family, a community we have served together. 3 years per term, 3 terms, 3,285 days, and almost 3 decades of public service. Halin sang pag-SB member, SB member pala ako sang San Joaquin. So each day, I carried with me not only the mandate you gave me, but the dreams and the hopes of every Ilonggo who dare to believe that public service can be sincere and compassionate. Magsubra, isa ka gatos ka barangay, linibo ka pumuluyo ang aton ginserbisyuhan. From students needing scholarships, farmers seeking assistance, to families affected by calamities, we did our best to reach out, listen, and respond. Masubra man 72 million ang atong gitigayon nga puntong pisa sa atong pagpungko ng atong gitigayon nga ginbulig o kang gitigayon sa mga programa kag proyekto sa mga kabarangayan. Budgets that translated into projects, classroom built, roads improved, health programs expanded, and lives uplifted. Kwarta nga ginayo ang pagdala para sa kaayuhan sa tanan, hindi para pabor lang sa pila. Ato lang gintigayon ang 43 or 43 ka mga ordinansa at 740 resolutions sa sulod sang siyang katuig nga atong ginobra para sa ikaayo sa atong probinsya. Lakip na dira ang ginakabig naton nga ligasiya para sa mga San Joaquinon. Kag dako ang mabulig sa banwa sa San Joaquin ang pagtukod sa San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital o kon isa ka ordinansa but annexing the San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital and incorporating its operation under the Hospital Management Office of the province of the Iloilo Provincial Government, creating the required plantilla of personnel and providing funds thereof. I have served District 1, but I work for one and only goal. Ang pagkulikid sa akin si Katabo bilang isa ka board member kasi Manwa, kasi Mario, pariente kag amigo. I may have been elected by a portion, but I have served the whole. Because for me, leadership was never about position. It was about connection. It may, to my fellow public servants, thank you for walking with me in the path of service. To my family, thank you for understanding the late nights and the long absences. And most of all, to the people of Iloilo, salamat kid for your trust, your guidance, and for reminding me every single day why this work is worth it. I stepped down from office not with regret, but with gratitude, for the chance to serve and to grow as your leader. Your kasimanwa and always your amigo. And above all, I give thanks to one God who guided every steps, every decision, every challenge we faced. Whether we call him God, Allah, Jehovah, Bathala, He is the God of every human being. For every faith of every heart, of every heart that longs for justice and compassion. Sa tanan-tanan, matamo niya salamat at padayon kita sa pag-uswag probinsya sa Iloilo.
Thank you, Board Member Serag. My dear friend, I will miss you.
Hilawan mo ang mga discussions yung work.
Next, Your Honor, is the valedictory address of the